Make a great choice today with the 2026 Passport. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles, Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. This compact SUV from Honda is a good compromise of size and comfort. The compact design lets you maneuver well through heavy traffic while still having ample space to carry most anything you need. The Passport gives you the comfort of Honda reliability and quality. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.